Turkey gags 20 radio and TV channels, inverted comma, jails record number of press workers. Turkey has ordered closure of 20 television and radio stations, comma, including one that airs children's programs, comma, on charges they spread, inverted comma, start terrorist propaganda, inverted comma, adding to fear that emergency rule is being used to stifle the media, full stop. President has said he wants a 3-month state of emergency, comma, imposed after a failed coup attempt in July, comma, to be prolonged past October so authorities can eradicate the threat posed by a religious movement blamed for the attempt, comma, as well as militants who have waged a 22 years insurgency, full stop. Para. The banned channels are owned or operated by or the religious minority, comma, according to news editor at INC TV, comma, a news broadcaster slated for closure, full stop. He cited a copy of the decision obtained by his channel, comma, which was based on powers given the government in a decree issued in July, full stop. Para. Inverted comma. This has nothing to do with the cop, full stop. It is an effort to silence the lost independent media covering the issue and violations committed by the state, comma, inverted comma, said, full stop. INC has aired reports looking at security forces conduct during 14 months of military operations against the outlawed Workers' Party that has killed thousands, full stop. Para. Among the 12 shuttered television channels are which plays folk music, comma, and TV, comma, which airs language children's cartoons, full stop. The decision also shut 11 radio stations for harming national security, comma, said, full stop. Para. Inverted comma. Turkey is targeting a wide swath of cultural and political expression by shuttering minority broadcasters, comma, inverted comma, of the Committee to Protect Journalists, said, full stop. Inverted comma, when the government sees even children's programming as a threat to national security, comma, it is clearly abusing its emergency powers, full stop, inverted comma, para. Rule by decree, colon, an official at the Radio and Television Supreme Council, comma, the state watchdog, comma, confirmed 20 stations were being closed, full stop. Argues the state of emergency is helping authorities swiftly root out supporters of the military uprising by bypassing parliament to enact laws and suspend rights, full stop. Para. Turkey blames US-based Muslim preacher for masterminding the council in which 20 soldiers, police and civilians were killed trying to stop rogue troops who had commanded fighter jets and tanks to bomb parliament and shoot protesters. Full stop. Another 100 people behind the were killed. Full stop. Para. Some state employees suspected of links with the movement have been purged, and 22,000 people are in jail for their alleged role in the coup. Full stop. Denies involvement. Full stop. Para. Authorities have also targeted the media, arresting dozens of members of the press to make Turkey the world's biggest jailer of journalists and shutting down scores of media outlets. Full stop. Para. And other IMC staff continued airing segments on Friday while waiting for police to arrive at their offices. Full stop. Other stations on the closure list were raided and sealed off on Thursday, newspapers and CPJ said. Full stop. IMC, founded in 2011, has faced other punitive measures. Full stop. In February, its satellite feed was cut while prosecutors investigate if its supporters, the PKK, full stop, denied any links between IMC and the militants, citing the channel's principles of full stop